Today we make the Meteor Strike from the Bar Zenith at Universal's Epic Universe. Now I have to confess that I have not yet had this drink, at least in person, and I have not been to Epic Universe, and I probably won't anytime soon, but many months ago when Epic Universe opened, I was watching a video from Ordinary Adventures, and they were there basically on opening day. And when they showed a drink and listed the ingredients, there was this little magical 3-letter word that called out to me. Now it's likely, probable, that the rum in question here looks something like this, and that would probably work. I don't think this is a real rum-forward theme park cocktail. I don't think any of those actually exist. And as for Bar Zenith, well, they describe the drink as blast off with this cosmic blend of light rum, triple sec, zesty lime, and pineapple juices, topped with lemon lime soda and a sprinkle of edible gold glitter. A flaming lemon extract infused raw sugar cube Meteor elevates this cosmic cocktail. So there's a little bit going on here. There's rum, triple sec, or a blend of orange liqueurs, and we will need some blue curaçao, or the color doesn't work for this one. Pineapple and lime juice, and then some lemon lime soda, which I will be using Sprite. I think whenever I saw that video from Ordinary Adventures, which was almost a full year ago, I bought some gold edible glitter immediately, so I've been sitting on this drink for quite a while now. Now, flaming sugar cube, I'm gonna do that. I'll take a sugar cube and soak it in some lemon extract and then light it on fire. Now, hopefully the thumbnail will look cool. I can't imagine that it's going to make the drink taste any better. If anything, it's gonna make it taste worse. So full disclosure again is that I do not claim this to be authentic to Bar Zenith or Epic Universe, but it will probably be better because I'll be using some good rum, some good curaçao, some fresh juices, and I've worked on this recipe a little bit. It's not the best thing ever, but I did calibrate this for a sweetness level of a grown adult and not the typical way too sweet drinks that we see from basically every single theme park. So let's make the Meteor Strike, and even though they probably batch this or build it in the glass, I'm gonna actually shake this one because I just think it's gonna work better. Get the juices incorporated and to get that gold glitter incorporated as well. So I will start with 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. I need 1 ounce of curaçao, and I'm splitting this in half with 1/2 ounce of a blue curaçao and 1/2 ounce of a triple sec. Then 2 ounces of a light rum, and then a tiny little pinch of edible gold glitter. A little goes a long way here. I'll top this with about 2.5 ounces of Sprite. Finally, we got to drop in that Meteor Strike, which is, of course, our sugar cube with some lemon extract lit on fire. So there you go, my version of the Meteor Strike from the Bar Zenith at Universal's Epic Universe. This is my very first time ever using edible glitter in a cocktail, and I got to tell you, leading up to it, gimmicky, right? But once you see that glitter in the glass, I don't know if the camera really can show how cool it looks, but it looks really cool. As far as theme parks go, I'd much rather just have a little pinch of edible glitter than spend like $10 to $20 more for a dumbass glow cube. I don't need a piece of plastic with tiny button batteries in it in my drink. But let's try this. I have been working on this. Doesn't mean that it's going to be the best thing ever, but I have done a couple iterations here, so cheers. Don't do the lemon extract. I've made this drink several times now, and I have not done the lemon extract, and I had planned on not doing the lemon extract sugar cube, but they say it on the website, they show them do it. It's kind of killing the top of the drink. I got to mix that in better, because that flavor is kind of floating around the top right now. Okay, the bottom of the drink is better. It's not going to be like the most groundbreaking cocktail you've ever had. If you look at the ingredients here, it's some orange curaçao, some rum, some citrus juices, and some Sprite. But it's nice and refreshing. It's kind of exactly what you think it is. This to me reminds me of Malibu rum. Not something I can say that I've had in many, many years, even though it's not coconut, but it just has that, like, oh, this tastes beachy, tastes resorty, but it's very refreshing. And yeah, it's a little gimmicky here with the lemon extract as well as the glitter. Skip the lemon extract. Don't do that. I regret it. And it's like staying on my lips now. But the rest of it is pretty good. Also, this is on me. I'll show the picture if I capture it, but after or before I drank this, I was taking the thumbnail picture and I had the tweezers and I had that I was holding that sugar cube real tight and it just burst, which you would expect. I wasn't expecting it because I typically don't drop in lemon extract sugar cubes in my cocktail. So is it the best thing ever? No, but is it pretty good for theme park cocktails? Yes, it is. And I find that theme park cocktails are generally pretty bad. That's just my personal opinion. However, the one that stands out to me all the time, the one I love the most, is from California Adventure, which is their frozen margarita. It's probably not even that great. You just have great memories for it. I don't know the name of that stand now. It used to be called Rita's. They still have it there, but I love getting a margarita every time I go. So, you know, you can find diamonds in the rough from time to time. Is this a diamond in the rough? Maybe for you, maybe not others. I think it's pretty good. If I was at Epic Universe, which I don't see happening anytime soon, I would love to go to Bar Zenith and get one of these. If you have ever, or if you are going to go to Epic Universe, try one of these and then make the one I made and let me know in the comments how close it is. If you like one better than the other. Or if you come across any other rum cocktails at the theme parks you visit, let me know that as well. So that's it for this one, the Meteor Strike from Bar Zenith at Universal's Epic Universe. And hey, if you have a favorite theme park, Disney vlogger, content creator, let me know in the comments below. I wish I had more time nowadays to watch YouTube videos. I don't, so I don't get to catch up with them that often. But I love catching up with whatever Ordinary Adventures is doing. I also follow Hey Bricky, been following him for a long time. So if you have a favorite or favorites, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, just give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want to support this channel more, go check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, see you in the next one.